Hi, this video is how to make a Jamboard. So for me, I get my Google Apps from my email and I go into Drive. The reason I go into Drive is because I want to put my Jamboard in a folder so I can find it later. I'm going to make one for ICS, my ICS class, so I'm putting it in this folder. I'm going to make a new, and then I scroll down in the more to Google Jamboard. Once I get in my Jamboard, I click on the title and I title it. This is going to be a practice Jamboard. I say OK, and now I have a title. If I want text, I click on the text box and I can put, say, group 1. So if I want some content, I can go into my ICS course or whatever course I want. I'm going to go to my ICS course. And then I'm going to go to content, and I'm going to go to whatever module that I'm working in at the time. So this week I'm going to look at Mod 4, and then I am going to go to the Resources tab here because I want to just copy problems out of the exercises. So here, exercise 10.1, I am using my snipping tool, which you can find in your Google if you go to Cortana and then type in snipping tool, and then the snipping tool pops up. And what I use is I just do a new snip, and then I copy the problem, and I do edit copy, and then I go back to my Jamboard and I go edit paste, and it takes a minute, but it pastes it right in there, and then I can move that wherever I want it. If I want to put write on it with the pen, I can click on pen and I can make it whatever color I want to make it. So if I want to highlight it like that, I can do it. If I want to erase it, I can erase. And I can type sticky notes like hi and save, and I can make the sticky notes different colors by picking on the different colors. Or you can have no color if you want. So here I'm going to do hi again. So there's all my sticky notes. I can also do things like if I want to circle, so I could circle part of it. You can have a circle that's covering something up if you want to do that. And then if you want to delete it, you click on this and then you can delete the circle so that it disappears. If you want to add an image, you can take an image and post it in there. So say I want to go over here and go to my pictures, and we'll take a picture of me. I can minimize this. I can drag my picture in there. I can upload it. And then there's my picture right there on my Jamboard. The last one here is something so you can point to things. It disappears quickly when you're done. It's called laser. So I hope this helps. The final task is to share it. So when you click on share, you can change the link so that anybody with the link can be an editor. That lets everybody write on it. To make a new page, you need to add pages at the top. And my permission update didn't want to do what it's supposed to. Oh, there it goes. That should get out of there. Then you can click and make as many pages as you want to make. So you can have pages like crazy. So if you want to remove something, you can delete, you can make copies, you can save some kind of frame as an image, the whole thing. So you want to save it, you can do that. And you can also download it as a PDF. I hope this tells you a little more about Jamboard. If you need some help, please ask. Thanks.